Hello friends, welcome to our channel Amruta Sara and Adi Narayana. Our new topic is problems related to agricultural. The topic is not to commit suicide. Now, sir will explain how to resolve this problem. Sir,
Yes.
can you please
Dear
inform them?
peasants, dear peasants, in other words, we call farmers. Don't get excited and don't take unnecessary, irrelevant decisions for any matters. Here, we are explaining to you how to approach the authorities if you don't get relief properly.
Sir,
For example,
sir, moment.
yes,
Sorry to disturb you. Dear friends, before going to the subject, please share our videos, like our videos, and subscribe our channel. Please do this. Please subscribe our channel and give like and share our videos and our channel to your all friends, relatives, family members. Dear friends, now sir inform us how to resolve the problem related to agricultural issues. Sir?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Dear peasants, you don't know the meaning of peasants. You are called as peasants or farmers. For example, what has happened? One of the farmer who has approached the Karnataka Bank for cropping their yields. They farmed jowar in the total farmland of 10 acres, 8 guntas. It is called as rain feed land. There are two types of lands are there. One is irrigation land. It means water supplied for the growth of crops. Another one is rain feed land. They are depending only on the rain to grow their crops. Here the case is one peasant has asked me what to do the next. The peasant approached the Karnataka Bank Limited and paid the insurance amount of 2,476 rupees and 68 paisa for the policy sum of 1,65,112 rupees, which he has taken the loan from the Karnataka Bank. The banks will provide the insurance for the crops, that you should aware very clearly. On the other hand, what we have to do, the crop, when it is depending only on the rain, we don't know what will happen. Sometimes too much of water, it spoils the crops. On the other hand, the drought-hit area, there is no water at all, then the crops will not grow at all. For this, they cannot supply the water also. During this period, for the loss of their crop, they can go for insurance. In this case, the person, the peasant, the farmer who has approached the Karnataka Bank Limited and paid the insurance amount properly within the set time frame. During the payment of insurance premium, the bank authorities has committed a mistake. Instead of showing rain, feed, farm land, rabi crop, they have shown irrigation land, and hence he could not get the insurance amount. So whatever it is approved, so in the bank they have committed a mistake and they are not ready to rectify the problem. The farmer approached several times. They told, we are only the data entry operator. We are not sanctioning your crop insurance. Go from this place. They have shouted and sent this farmer. Farmer is already in trauma for losing his crop. He was fully tensed. He was about to commit the suicide. Fortunately, he has approached the one person and he has contacted me. So, he has taken the loan from one bank, 60,000 rupees at free of interest if you repay within 1 year's period. And from Karnataka Bank, he has taken 1,65,000 rupees and at the pledged rate of 3 lakhs rupees. Total is the loan amount is 2,25,000. So, unfortunately, the rain has not come and it has become a drought area and the crops have not grown and that has not yielded properly. So, I asked him to go and approach agricultural director to issue the certificate. So he went and approached. Already the agricultural director has made the survey about the crops and he has issued 2 types of letters. First type of letter is for irrigation, that means completely water resourced, and another is rain feed land. So this farmer has approached for the said land of rain feed land of 10 acres 8 guntas, which he has grown jowar. The proper yield was not there and they have made the survey and they have recommended for the insurance. Unfortunately, the farmer could not get any insurance amount. He has approached the authorities, agricultural authorities. They told they have mentioned in your bank it is you have grown the jowar in the irrigation plant, therefore you are not eligible. He was unable to do anything. He came and approached me and he has taken some guidelines. I suggested him to go to the bank once again and approach the bank manager to rectify the problem. Unfortunately, the bank manager has not rectified. I asked the farmer once again to go and ask for Ombudsman book and to enter that his problems have not resolved. This problem is to be resolved within 48 hours. It was not done so. Then I asked him to write a letter to the head office, the general manager, to take action immediately. They could not do anything. And I asked them to take action in the head office and to write a letter to the vigilance department. Further, I asked, since this Karnataka Bank and Syndicate Bank and Canara Bank merged, that is, amalgamation was made and it was under the process. Therefore, Canara Bank is declared as the lead bank. One district lead bank will be there, and their district Canara Bank general manager was also available in the district, and their head office is residing at Gandhinagar, Bangalore, near Majestic. There also they will take exclusively this action for that in the annex building. So he has approached all the people, and at last he got the letter from the lead bank of the district manager, and he has advised the general manager of Bangalore Canara Bank office to take the necessary steps and give the feedback information. In spite of that, they have not given any answer and they could not get any solution. So he was about to commit the suicide, farmer. Again I told him, don't take drastic steps committing suicide. This is not the only solution. Finally, I asked him to write a letter to the Reserve Bank of India, which is controlling all the bank functions. So the general manager of Reserve Bank of India, Ombudsman of the Reserve Bank of India, Vigilance Department of the Reserve Bank of India, and further I asked to write a letter to the general manager of the Canara Bank, Bangalore head office, general manager of the district office in the Canara Bank, and the local area Karnataka Bank managing director, Karnataka Bank general manager, personal and administration, and the vigilance department of Karnataka Bank, vigilance department of the Canara Bank, and vigilance department of the Reserve Bank to take further action. Further, I told him to write a letter to the Secretary Revenue, Karnataka government. Further, I asked him to write a letter to the Finance Minister of Karnataka, then Chief Minister of Karnataka. Then I asked him to write a letter to the Secretary Revenue of Government of India, Finance Minister of Government of India, since this plan Yojana is by Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana, I asked him to write a letter to the Prime Minister office also. In the meantime, we have given sufficient time and approached the Consumer District Court. Since the amount is less than 20, District Jurisdiction Commissioner is responsible for that. And I asked him to make payment of 200 rupees because for less than 1 lakh rupee, it is 100 rupees fee is there. It is more than 1 lakh, less than 2 lakh, 200 rupees is to be paid. He has paid accordingly. And now the court is involving in this case, and I am sure he will get definitely the result. Already they have directed the concerned bank, the Karnataka Bank, to come and explain, and they were going to order to give the mental agonies compensation along with this insurance crop for the insurance amount which he has lost